Hello everyone, let's look at the new Store CLI command line tool to download and install apps from the Microsoft Store on Windows 11. So Windows 11 now includes a new Microsoft Store that runs entirely from command prompt or PowerShell, and it is called Store CLI. And Microsoft appeared to have quietly launched this command line version of the store that lets you download and install applications from the store by just using commands. Although we have been able to use the Windows Package Manager to install applications using the winget command, the new Store CLI made things a little bit easier and faster. Okay, first let me clear the screen and let me show you that just by typing the store command, you will get access to the tool, and you can see that right now this command line tool is currently in preview. I haven't found any official announcement from Microsoft, but if you type this in the latest update of the operating system, you're going to find it. And when you launch the command line tool, you're going to get the different commands that you can use in order to manage applications on your computer. At the top, we get the discovery commands. The ones you're probably going to use the most is going to be search and show. So for this example, I'm just going to use the search command. And for example, here, I can just type store search, and then I'm going to look for VLC. And as you can see, now we get a result, and you will notice that this is similar to the winget command, but you will see that the formatting is a little different, that it kind of looks like an application, but inside of a command line experience. Now, let's say if we want to install the VLC application on the computer, we can see the operations commands, and the one that we can use is the install command. And for that, we need to type store install. And I'm going to install the UWP version. I'm going to select the product identification number, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it. And then we just need to press enter. And the tool is going to proceed to download and install the application. That's it. So now if we open the start menu, we're going to find that we added the VLC application. Now we can also use the installed option, and that will list all the applications installed on the computer. So let's just do a store install, and you can see these are all the applications installed on this computer. Let me just type the store command one more time. And then if you want to update a specific application, we can use the store update. And in this case, we can use the VLC option. And then it's going to check for updates for that particular application. Now, if you want to check for updates for all your installed applications, you can run the store updates command. I'm not going to install this because it's going to trigger a full update for all the applications. Now, in the list of commands, I don't see an uninstall option. Let me see if I can do store uninstall VLC. And well, apparently that is not a supporter command. So you will still have to use the winget command or the settings app to uninstall Microsoft Store applications after installing it using the command line tool. But remember that the tool is still in preview, so that option might come in the future. Now, if you don't know how to use a particular command, we can use the help option. And to do that, we can do store and then the command that you want to use, for example, search, and then we're just going to type help and then press enter. And this will give you the different options that you can use and some examples on how to use the command to search for a specific application on the Microsoft Store. You can see that if the term is only one keyword, you can type it like this. And if the name of the app has a space, you have to use quotations. Now, it is important to note that the command line version, as far as I can tell, only works to download Microsoft Store apps, and you can now download applications from different sources, such as GitHub. Even further, the new Store CLI provides results from free and paid applications from the Microsoft Store, while the Windows Package Manager only displays free applications. And finally, note that the command line tool is only for downloading and installing apps. This is not a publisher application. And finally, while researching for this topic, I stumbled upon the Microsoft Store Developer CLI tool, which is a similar command line tool experience. However, it appears that this is a different tool for developers and organizations, and you will need to install it manually and run it using the MS store command. And that's it. That was a first look at the Store CLI command line tool that helps you to download and install apps from the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 just using commands. Let me know in the comments what you think about this tool. Leave your comments, share the video, like it, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.